Hey yo, what's happening, guys? It's your boy here, Dora the Dope Boy, Dora the Money Lover. I welcome you all, guys, in my YouTube trading channel. So this is another video. In fact, this is the first video of my playlist. So, guys, I'm creating a playlist, guys, where I will be flipping a $10 account into $100 account, guys. So, what is going to happen in this challenge? I'm going to post my setups and everything, guys, my entry point and my risk management strategy. So yeah, guys, and the thing is, I will deposit the 200, right? But then I will only fund my account with like 50 rand or something, 60 rand or something. That will be in fact 50 rand. I will divide that to 200. That's $10 by 4. So yeah, guys, without further, let's start getting let's get a setup first, guys. So let's go to the daily time frame. Let's go to the daily time frame. So guys, here we are on the daily time frame, guys. Here we are on the daily time frame. So there's nothing much that I would love us to do on the daily time frame rather than to mark our zones. It's only to mark our zones so that we can identify the direction. So sorry about that, guys. Okay, so this is our arm resistance, right? So we can start and we have something like a double double tap now. Let's go, and then yeah, like that, and then right there also, right there. Lovely. Let me just try. Yeah, so now let's go to the 4 hour time frame, guys. So here we are on the 4 hour time frame. Here we are on the 4 hour time frame. One thing that I would love to do here is so guys, right now we are on the 4 hour time frame for the USDT. We are on the 4 hour time frame. So on the 4 hour time frame, the thing that I would love us to do is okay, I like supply and demand, guys. I like supply and demand uh because I think it's a very accurate strategy. Okay, so right now we can see that okay, here this point right there, yeah, we can plot something just like that right there. So and then, guys, we also have a demand there. We also have a demand there. So I'm looking for buying opportunities, guys. At that point, I'm looking for buying opportunities. So that's our supply that gave us these huge sales. So yeah, that's it, guys. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame to look for entries. Look for entries. So here we are, guys, on the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, guys. So so guys, one thing that I'm noticing right here is, let's just take a look here. One thing that, so prices, let's check at the market structure, like here. Let's observe. You see this is a lower low, right? And then a lower high, a lower low, a lower high, because yeah. So right now this is our most recent lower high, our most recent lower high. So guys, our most recent lower high. So you can enter right now. So right now we can enter right now. can enter right now. And actually guys, I'm entering my positions right now. I'm going full margin with the 50 rand. I think it's $2.5. Yeah. And then our TP right there, and then that's our, that line right there, that's our uh first take profit, our first take profit. And then if it happens that, in fact, let's put it right there. Yeah, that's our first take profit. And if it happens that we cross our palm, and then we hold until right there guys. So our first entry, suppose like this, we can enter right now, or you can wait that break at the most recent, high, lower high. If we break it, and then we'll enter, if we like somewhere, then you enter those buys. So guys, let's count our entry confirmations for this. It's a demand, right, and a support. So it's number one and number two. Okay, let's start over again. We have a number one, demand, and we have a support, right? And then now, if you don't want to be aggressive with your entries, you can wait until we have a change of character, market structure shift. So we can wait for until we have a market structure shift, and then that's when you will you will that's when you will enter after we get a change of character. So me guys, I've entered, let me just show you my Vault account. So as you can see, I've entered USD, and the balance is 63.888 cents. So you can say that I have so many positions. It's because of the credit. So it gives me more leverage, and I'm basically on a profit of 25 rand, 23 rand, 22 rand. So that's basically like I'm going on a profit of $1 right now guys. So nonetheless, I will upload the video, and guys, I will record another video where I will uh, update you with my re-entries and everything. So guys, let's enter as long as you find the market at this point. Enter your buys guys. Let's enter the buys